shoes. A foolish man from Zing wanted to buy a pair of shoes. He measured his feet with a piece of straw by making marks on it. Then he headed straight for the market. But he was in such a hurry that he left his marked straw at home. So, when he reached the shoe shop, he said, "I have left the measurement at home and I don't know the size. I'll fetch it in 1 minute." With these words, he ran back as fast as he could. He took the straw and sped up to town. But when he reached the shop, night had already fallen and the shop was closed. The people around went up to him and asked him what had happened. Then they said, "Didn't you have your feet with you when you were in the shop?" "Yes, of course," the man answered. "But the straw is very carefully measured, and I am afraid my feet are less trustworthy." Kitty goes fishing. One day, a little kitten, Kitty, went fishing with his mom. When they sat down, a dragonfly came. Kitty kept down his fishing rod and chased the dragonfly. But the dragonfly flew away. At that very moment, his mom caught a big fish. When Kitty sat down again and continued fishing, a butterfly came across. The little kitten again chased it, but the butterfly also flew away. His mom again caught a big fish. Kitty asked his mom, "Why can't I catch even one fish?" The mom replied, "You have to be focused while fishing. You keep running after the dragonfly and the butterfly now and then. How can you land a fish?" Kitty felt ashamed and began focusing on fishing. The dragonfly and the butterfly came again, but Kitty didn't move an inch. After a while, it caught a big fish. Happy Kitty shouted, "I caught a big fish!" Tadpoles searched for their mother. Once, at the time of spring, there were many cute little tadpoles in a pond. They had never met their mother before, and so they wanted to go out and find her. They asked the duck, "Are you our mother?" The mother duck said to them, "Your mother has 2 eyes and 1 big mouth." The little tadpole swam forward and saw a goldfish. The tadpoles happily cried out, "Mama, Mama!" The goldfish said, "I'm not your mother. Your mother has a white belly." The tadpoles continued swimming and met a crab. The crab's belly was white. They immediately cried out, "Mama, Mama!" The crab shook its head and said, "You have got the wrong lady. I have 8 legs and your mother only has 4. Suddenly they saw a frog going. They asked cautiously, "Are you our mama?" The frog smiled and said, "That's me. I'm your mother. After growing up, you look just like me." The little tadpoles had finally found their mother. The Snail Girl. Once there lived a young farmer named Shia Dua, all alone. He was very hardworking. One evening, when he was coming back from the rice fields, he saw a big snail lying on the roadside. He picked it up and took it home and put it into a vat with water. The next night, when Shia Duan returned home, he was surprised to see his house neat and clean. A hot meal awaited him on his table. When he asked his neighbors, no one knew about it. It continued for days. One afternoon, Shia Duan came back home especially early. He peeped through the window and saw a pretty girl cooking at the stove. He rushed to the vat and noticed that the snail was missing. The girl told him she was the snail he saved. Soon, Shia Duan married the girl and lived happily ever after.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.